How to permanently turn off real-time protection in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Settings. After that, go to Privacy and Security. Then go to Windows Security. After that, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Then go to Virus and Threat Protection from here. Scroll down and then in this virus and threat protection settings, you will see an option of manage settings. Simply tap on it. And then you will see an option real-time protection. Simply toggle this on, confirm yes and done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.